try to do everything to be with you in next conference and to be in video with people to be more and more near from people, and I can ask and say their comments and can share with them about IFRS, and I wish we can be small, like a small country.
All right. We are waiting for Afra Sajjad of ACCA London to call up. In the meantime, we'll continue our presentation. And when she comes on the line, we will again be back to her. I'm sure you enjoyed talk from Egypt by Mr. Hassan Goma. And it was with him, we have already come to a global scenario, thankfully, of getting into cross-country talks. Ranjali. Just tell her that, they must be doing CD recording, but just tell her to reconfirm. Sometimes they forget. And even the audio recording of Hassan, the voice and speech should also be recorded. All right. Back to statement of comprehensive income. And in the one-page statement, we get the profit allocation between owners of the parent and NCI, minority interest, and also the total comprehensive income. Comprehensive income among owners of parent and minority interest, and the EPS basic and diluted. So we discuss the concept of OCI, other comprehensive income, so that the business gains are not mixed up. The normal operating activity gains are not mixed up with the normal profit and loss account or income statement. And other comprehensive income, by and large, happens out of something which is not arising out of the control of the organization. For example, if there is a property revaluation, organization has itself not done anything. Or if the equity instrument fair value has gone up, organization per se doesn't do much. It is happening based on the organization's performance and the stock market realities. Currently in India, we are facing a lot of stock market crisis, and we are hearing from Hassan Goma that thanks to the IFRS adopted by them in 2005, huge investment in oil companies came up in Egypt. We do not know what are the current economic policies of India, whether they are going on the right lines. But certainly an IFRS adoption will give a clear-cut free flow of capital. And that is what according to me, going to be one of the major secrets of covering up some of the crisis. Because the moment the world starts investing into India country, then we will have an advantage of the free flow of capital. Today, most of the countries, I remember when I was working in East Europe, Bulgaria, Croatia, these were also not very well-to-do countries. But the moment they adopted IFRS, they had an advantage. Coming back, we were discussing optional exemptions and the investments in subsidiaries and associates. And let me take you through the point which I was discussing. When there are many acquisitions of past and they are revalued, the past business combinations or past acquisition of the company which we have acquired today, and those acquisition, if they are recalculated at fair value, then that is certainly going to make a difference in the strength of the balance sheet. So I remember certainly the balance sheet of some of the Fortune 500 companies, including those which I have worked for, like Mittal Group. It has given a lot of boost, and the global bonds could be easily floated, and it made a lot of difference for us to finally make lots of steel company acquisitions in multiple countries. Otherwise, frankly, a Mittal-like group and having a merger with powerful group like Arcelor, it would have been unthinkable. But I must say, a lot of credit goes to the free flow of capital. Therefore, I encourage a lot of youngsters.
Is a student connected from Colombo?
Yeah. Correct. Hello. Now we have Afra Sajjad connected from Colombo, and we will put this presentation of theirs which has been already given to me. Afra Sajjad is from ACCA London, and she is currently traveling to Colombo. ACCA is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. According to me, they have currently the best exam on IFRS in the world, held in 120 countries, including India. And lots of students are appearing for that exam. I personally have also passed this exam, and many of the people who have passed this exam are doing brilliant careers.
Hello?
Yes, Afra, welcome. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, Afra, welcome.
Okay, I hope we can make it through this phone call because
Yes,
of the
yes.
communication.
I am sure we will succeed, and your presentation has been put on and is being seen by 2,000
Okay.
people in 50 cities and 20 countries. Please go ahead. Over to you.
Okay, thank you. Hello, thank you very much
Yeah.
for this opportunity. And it is my pleasure to be talking to you about international financial reporting standards and how they are relevant to the business world of today. From the perspective of ACCA, which is the Association of Chartered Certified Accounting Bodies, and my aim is that over the next few minutes, just to talk to you about some of the challenges and some of the benefits of adopting international financial reporting standards. We at ACCA are very much aware of the challenges which are faced by the economies around the world as they try to adapt and adopt international financial reporting standards, while at the same time we are very keen to create a level playing field for countries and businesses desirous of foreign investment, standardization of information, and enhanced mobility of IFRS competent human resources. In terms of international financial reporting standards, one of the main contributions of ACCA has been in terms of research. And not only do we conduct our own research on international financial reporting standards, but we also encourage other universities and other academics and business people and business organizations with whom we partner to conduct international financial reporting standards research. We do think that universities and institutions around the world and those countries which are going towards or thinking about international financial reporting standards, they need to start thinking about inculcating international financial reporting standards into their curriculum. And once you have it into the curriculum, what it does is this, that it does give future business leaders and professional accountants an opportunity to discuss and deliberate the process of international financial reporting standards, make their own assessment, and wherever possible, it gives an opportunity for them to give an input on the relevance and the challenges and the opportunities of international financial reporting standards. So and ACCA does do a lot of work in this context of working with the universities who want to integrate IFRS into their syllabus. And at the same time, it's very important that once international financial reporting standards syllabus has been taught, there is a continuous development, because the speed at which the international financial reporting standards come and go, it can only be compared to the speed of an aeroplane or a Concorde, because the changes keep on happening. And whatever changes are, we at ACC are very conscious that our own members who do have a very solid understanding and knowledge of international financial reporting